Yo squad! It's your boy Ali back at it again, and today we're tackling the most annoying error in Free Fire, the download failed retry nightmare. You're just trying to hop into a match and bam! This pops up? Nah fam, we ain't letting this slide. By the end of this video, I'll have you back in the game. Guaranteed. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi, bro. First things first, is your internet trash? Let's keep it real. Free Fire updates are huge. If your Wi-Fi's acting like my ex, here today, gone tomorrow, you're gonna get stuck. Here's the move. Switch to mobile data real quick. Just pause your TikTok scrolls for 2 minutes. Restart your router, unplug it, count to 10, and plug it back in. Old school trick, but it works. Test your speed. If it's slower than my grandma's WhatsApp replies, you found the problem. Step 2. Clear that cache, my G. Alright, next up, clear the cache. But what's cache? Think of it like your phone's junk drawer. Stuff piles up and breaks things. Here's how to nuke it. Android gang, settings, apps, Free Fire. Boom, hit clear cache. iPhone squad. Sorry, Apple's stubborn. Just delete and reinstall the app. Don't worry, your account's safe if it's linked. Step 3. Free up space. No hoarding. Listen, if your phone's storage is more packed than a Clash Squad match, you're gonna crash. Free Fire needs 2 to 3 gigabytes to breathe. Go delete those 100 selfies from 2019, uninstall apps you forgot existed, or dump files into the cloud. Your phone will thank you. Step 4. The secret VPN trick. Now, if nothing works, time to go undercover. Grab a VPN. It's like a fake mustache for your internet. Sometimes Free Fire's servers in your region are just sleeping on the job. Connect to a server in, say, Singapore or Brazil, and bam, download works. I use VPN name, but any trusted one's cool. Step 5. Nuclear option, reinstall. Last resort, delete Free Fire and re-download it. I know, it's scary. But trust me, your account's safe if it's linked to Facebook or Google. Just pretend you're giving your phone a fresh haircut. It'll feel brand new. Bonus tip. Update manually, you legend. Oh, and stop relying on auto updates. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search Free Fire, and smash that update button yourself. Take control, my guy. Still stuck? Drop a comment below with "Help me your name," and I'll slide into your DMs. No one gets left behind in this squad. Smash that like button if this saved your game. Subscribe for more Free Fire fixes, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next vid. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. 2 thumbs up.